I think that I should commend the project or the team behind the project, which Dotun Taylor, yourselves, everybody who has taken part in it. And by taking this step forward, it means that you are really passionate and you are aiming for the greatest standard in what you are doing. And this is, for me, inspiring as well, because I thought that the original objective was to take Olúwa Nílé and bring it to the stage in 2024 with all the advantages of technology, artistry, and all of that. But when I know you have recorded it, and I was thinking, are you going to stress or stretch the IP because you wanted to stay on stage, and by recording it, I thought, and people, maybe they're going to release it on Netflix or something like that. So that will